Welcome to this video on Speaking and Listening Standard 2. We will discuss methods of note-taking. We will be covering the core standards in speaking and listening. Integrate multiple sources of information presented in diverse media or formats, evaluating the credibility and accuracy of each source. We will be covering the following: making outlines based from different forms of media, writing a summary using information that was taken from different media formats, evaluating the information using the skills learned. You've probably been listening to people speak since you were born, and most likely have a good idea of how to figure out what people are saying and what they mean when they speak. What is note-taking? It is an active way to organize and condense material you need to learn. There are two methods of note-taking: outlines and summaries. Let's discuss outlines. What is an outline? An outline is a method of taking notes that shows the relationship between main ideas and supporting details. There are two basic kinds of outlines: modified and formal. A modified outline is a skeleton of a subject. In a modified outline, main ideas are written as headings and are usually underlined. The major details are listed under the main ideas using numbers, letters, indentation, or simply dashes. It allows you to organize information quickly. Formal outlines provides more exact and complete information and relationships among ideas than any other form of notes. In addition to listing major details under main ideas, a formal outline also lists minor details under major details. It is useful in taking detailed notes. Use a modified outline to take notes while listening or reading. Here's an example of a modified outline. Use a formal outline to arrange ideas when preparing major written and oral assignments. Here are rules to follow in writing a formal outline. Use Roman numerals for main ideas, capital letters for major details, Arabic numerals and small letters for minor details. Place a period after each numeral or letter. Capitalize the first word in each line. Use indentation to indicate importance. Main ideas begin at the left. Items begin farther to the right as they become less important. Do not place a single item under any head. Always place two or more items or no items. Formal outlines can either topic outlines or sentence outlines. In a topic outline, you write information in words and phrases. In a sentence outline, you write information in complete sentences. Notice that the following topic outline on modern magic uses phrases to list ideas. Pause the video if necessary. The following example of a sentence outline shows beginning of a sentence outline for a composition about avoiding stage fright. Pause the video if necessary. Another useful way to record information is to write a summary of it. In a summary, you state the main ideas of a lecture or printed material in your own words, in few complete sentences. You use a summary to take notes when you need to remember only the main ideas. This diagram offers suggestions for summarizing. Carefully listen or read for main ideas. Write down the main ideas using your own words. Shape these main ideas into sentences that express the purpose and point of view of the speaker or writer. Write the summary in paragraph form. The final material should be no more than 1/3 of its original length. Note-taking is very important for you as a student. It helps you organize the material that you are studying, and at the same time, it condenses the information for you to remember easily and helps you evaluate the information if it is correct and factual. We use this skill if it involves information that we are listening to, researching, and presenting. Listen to a television newscast and take notes in modified outline form, using your own words. After the newscast, read your notes and fill any information in that's needed to make them clear. Write a summary of a TV documentary using the steps presented in creating a summary. Why are these techniques important? These are important to make note-taking easier and for you to use in your studying. Can we just take notes in our own way? Yes, you can, but you don't want to miss important information that you may need. These skills that were presented makes it easier for you not to miss information and to use note-taking as easy as possible. What can possibly happen if we don't follow the steps for summarizing? You might not be able to achieve the summary that you want. Ideas might lack unity and at the same time even lack information to present the main ideas of a material. As a student, you're expected to integrate multiple sources of visually, quantitatively, and orally. Evaluate the credibility and accuracy of each source. We've come to the end of our session. We've discussed note-taking and its importance, methods of note-taking, outlines, and summaries. By the end of this session, you should know or be able to do the following. Make outlines based from different forms of media. Write a summary using information that was taken from different media formats. Evaluate the information using the skills learned. This information should help improve your speaking and listening skills. Good luck with your speech.